Do you aspire to be a strategic contributor in the brand and marketing agencies, in the new age tech-led startups or brand and marketing teams? But are you self-doubting? You don't know when is the right time to start? Or are you overwhelmed and scared of unknowns? Stop being tactical. Stop worrying. Get ready for real-life strategic roles. What you will learn in this masterclass is why being generalist won't help. What are the 4 secret capabilities of brand strategy roles? And a gist of the secret formula to breakthrough in the career of brand strategy. Who should attend this? If you are a management grad or a design student or anyone who is eager to build career in brand strategy, if you are a young professional looking to fast track your growth with strategic hands-on methods, I invite you to this masterclass. Hi, I'm Karan, father of a lovely daughter, husband to a caring wife, a storyteller, dot connector, design thinker, brand and experience strategist, and I am on a mission to build a new tribe of breakthrough brand masterminds who are passionate about building strategic brands for digital era. Waiting to see you in the masterclass.